Thanks very much for agreeing to be a facilitator at the Faculty Research Conference. We're trying something a little bit different this year. We're focusing the whole conference on a number of key questions that we're hoping we're going to get some answers to by the end of the day, where we come back together for a kind of panel discussion and feedback. And you've agreed to be a facilitator around one of the poster sessions that's taking place. And there are two key ingredients that are going to make those sessions work. And it's quite a tough ask really for facilitators, because as you'll see in the programme, the posters are in order, and the idea is to give people time to actually present their posters, though the idea is that that isn't to be kind of too formal really. But if we look at the typical session, for example the poster session on learning innovation and SMEs, that's got 6 sessions in, and we need to build in time for discussion as well. So you need to work out roughly how much time there is for people, and it won't be that many minutes really, and I know there's a variation in the number of posters in each session, so work out roughly how much time you've got for your poster sessions in your session, but allowing time also for a little bit of ongoing Q&A as it goes along and a bit of discussion at the end. And your kind of second role, other than timekeeping, will be just to keep people focused on the questions. There's about, I think, 6 or 7 of them, and a lot of them are about the relationship between research and the academic delivery and the teaching, and we're trying to look at how that can work. So try and prioritise which seem to be the most pertinent questions in discussion, but focus everybody on trying to get those questions answered. The idea is to collect some of that feedback in note form, and then that can be fed into the final plenary discussion session in the afternoon. So the idea of this conference is there's an opportunity, of course, for people to present papers, and we've asked people to also to address their paper presentations to these key questions as well, but also that the poster sessions are a bit more informal, there's a bit more discussion, and the idea is that the conference comes out with a tangible output, the answer to some questions that will take us forward. You've obviously been selected or asked, and we're really grateful that you're a facilitator for your undoubted skills in the timekeeping side, and also just trying to engage people and keep the focus on those questions. So thanks very much for taking part. I wish I could be with you. I'm going to be over in Paris. Luckily there's no ash cloud on the Eurostar train, and I'm going to be running a workshop for 2 days over there. But wish I was with you, and wish you all the very best for the conference. Thanks very much.